Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today let me show you this commercial food processor that this brand sent to me for this video. We're gonna try it out with you today, right here, right now. And the thing about this one is, number one, it is 110 volts, so it could be both for home use or professional use. Like if you have a shop, if you have a store or something like that, you can use this one because it is super easy to use. It is also stainless, like the blades are stainless steel, so they're super easy to clean, and also they will last more. But also you can use it at home if you want, because it's a 3-in-1. You can slice, you can make cubes, you can make a shred, like you can shred the veggies or things like that. So that is kind of like really cool to say. Another thing I will say, these are really, really sharp. So unless you're gonna use them, just make sure that you have the rubber band protecting the blades, because these are sharp. Again, really, really heavy stainless steel, but these are sharp. And of course, you can make, for example, the cubes just like this. You can see that you can make the cubes over there. You can shred them and you can slice them. Again, these are also sharp, so make sure that you kind of like know that and you know what's going on there. And these are gonna be for you to kind of like push it if you need, or you can use this one as well. It depends on what you're gonna do. By the way, give it a read to the instruction manual, because this one is to comprehend how it works. But I gotta say again one more time, it is really easy. You kind of like do this, which has a log, so this one you can see that it's not moving, but if I do this and twist it, this will move, and then you can replace the whole blade section. So we're gonna put it back. We're gonna work with this one right now, and we'll go from there. Okay, easy peasy. Check this out. It is plugged, so you turn it on. It is a little bit loud, not much, I gotta say. And then you can see how easy this thing is. Just keep going, keep going, keep going, and at some point you can change this one and start pushing with this. So that is really cool. I have to say that is really cool. Take a look at all the ones that we got over here. And then we're gonna switch it up to a carrot. Check this out. And again, remember, you can do slices, you can do shred, you can do cubes. In this case, we're doing just the slices. But check this out, how easy this is to use. And now, I turn it off, and I have a whole salad. Take a look at all the ones that I have, and actually, they're pretty much perfect, I have to say. Like, these are really cool. I like this thing. Super easy to use. Super intuitive. Good cucumber, by the way. And of course, just make sure that you have the blades protected all the times when you're not using them. But of course, take advantage of the accessories that you can use. I like this one. Totally recommend it.